To the gods in the sky, there's one thing you can do. You can send us some sun and we'll play you this tune. Because sitting in our room, lying down with a scoop and the sunshine through our window. Oh, it's days like these that'll make us happy, like a puppy getting lucky with a lassie. Right, so 3 hours passing by with that beat, singing days like these, kicking back, just doing what we do. Whoa. In the sun with someone that can make me growl and hum say I want my ball shock and the beat that you throw at me, knocking me flat. Number 2, I cruise where the grass is smooth and the sound of the sea is a dreamy melody snooze all afternoon until the night time waking me, cause shakedown soon. Number 3, I'll be here dancing like a monkey up a tree. I find sweet simplicity by kissing my honey. Get funky like Bond when he's played by Connery, and crafty like Don Corleone 4. I watch you Oliver jam a little more. Remember the night when I saw what I never seen before. Lavender wrestling a rich wild boar. Oh, it's days like these that'll make us happy, like a puppy getting lucky with a lassie. Right, so 3 hours passing by with that beat, singing days like these, kicking back, just doing what we do. Whoa.
See these eyes so green, I can stare for 1,000 years, colder than the moon. It's been so long, and I've been putting out fire with gasoline. See these eyes so red, red like jungle burning bright. Those who feel me near pull the blinds and change their mind. It's been so long, still this pulsing night, like I call a heartbeat. Just be still with me. You wouldn't believe what I've been through. You've been so long, well, it's been so long. And now we're putting out the fire with gasoline. Putting out the fire with gasoline.
kick it.